In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a sub-account on Gohighlevel. Let's begin by understanding the importance of managing your digital tools effectively. Whether it's simplifying your dashboard or removing unused accounts, keeping your digital space organized is key to efficiency. That's why today we're focusing on a task that might seem straightforward but is crucial: deleting a sub-account on Gohighlevel. First things first, navigate to the Gohighlevel website. This is your starting block, the gateway to streamlining your account structure. Once you're on the home page, you'll see various options, but your focus should be on the Login to App button. This is your entry point into your Gohighlevel account, where all the magic happens. Clicking on Login to App takes you to the sign-in page. Here you'll enter your email address, the one you used to set up your Gohighlevel account. Make sure you enter it correctly to avoid any login issues. Following this, you'll need to enter your password. Remember, keeping your password secure and unique is always essential, but if you've forgotten it, there are options to reset it. After entering your email and password, hit the sign in button to access your dashboard. However, for security reasons, you might be prompted to verify your identity. That's where the send security code step comes in. It's a layer of protection for your account, ensuring that only you can access it. Once you click on Send Security Code, check your email for the code, enter it in the designated field, and proceed. Now that you're securely logged in, it's time to navigate to the Gohighlevel dashboard. This dashboard is your control room, where you can oversee all your accounts, campaigns, and more. Look for the Sub-Accounts tab. This is where all your sub-accounts are managed. It's a crucial step because here is where you'll select the specific account you wish to delete. Upon locating the sub-accounts section, your next step is to find the Manage Client option. This opens up all the available actions you can take for each sub-account. Scrolling through your list of sub-accounts, you might realize just how many you've accumulated. But today, we're focusing on streamlining. So find the account you no longer need. Select the account to reveal various options and look for the Action button. This button unveils further steps you can take. Among these options, you'll find Delete. I know hitting that delete button can feel final, but it's a necessary step if you're sure this account no longer serves your needs. Before you proceed, take a moment. Deletion is irreversible. Once you delete a sub-account, it's gone for good, along with all the data associated with it. Ensure this is indeed the account you want to delete and you've backed up any necessary information elsewhere. Feeling sure? Click on Delete. A prompt might appear asking you to confirm your decision. This is your last chance to change your mind. If you're ready, confirm the deletion, and voila, the sub-account will be removed from your Gohighlevel account. Congratulations, you've successfully streamlined your Gohighlevel account by removing an unnecessary sub-account. This process, while simple, is a critical part of managing your digital tools and ensuring your dashboard remains uncluttered and functional. Remember, keeping your digital environment tidy is just as important as organizing your physical workspace. Regularly reviewing and managing your accounts can save you time in the long run and help keep your focus on what's truly important for your business. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial. I hope it has been helpful and has empowered you to take control of your Gohighlevel account. Stay organized, and here's to your success.